What we have here is Mazda's all-new CX-90 hybrid SUV. This just came off the truck today. Absolutely gorgeous. This is Mazda's first six-cylinder hybrid SUV. That's right, 6 cylinders. This thing has a ton of power, 383 horsepower, and because it's a hybrid, you are going to get incredible gas mileage. All-wheel drive system. It boasts Mazda Skyactiv technology. This thing is absolutely incredible. You got to come down. It just got off the truck. It is so beautiful. It is so luxurious. It is so nice that you will absolutely be blown away. And once again, with it being an inline six, tons of power, tons of towing capacity. This comes in a 6-passenger, 7-passenger, 8-passenger. You will be amazed. You got to come down. You got to come see it because it is absolutely gorgeous. 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Ask for Jason. I'll get you taken care of. We'll get you on a test drive. You will absolutely love it. We'll see you soon.